recognizing the work that the labels put in, following them on social media, supporting them, retweeting, sharing, comment. Like that's the social currency that we all kind of unfortunately live and die by. Mm-hmm. Making playlists and showing your love and you know, all of that stuff. And then after you've done that and kind of put in your time and really supported those X amount of labels, write an email to the people and let them know, like, hey, this is who I am. I've been following you. I've been a supporter. I would love to work with you. These are the reasons why, like, because I love Closey, or I love this artist, or I love, you know, what you guys did at this show, or what, you know, whatever personal moment that is actually meaningful to you, share that, and then share your music. Don't send an attachment, send a private SoundCloud link that's easy to just click and hear. Like, we're on our phones, we can't download a WAV file or whatever. It's a busy time. It's like, got a lot of people doing this stuff. So, taking that time, writing a well-crafted email, use complete sentences, add a subject line, make it easy for people to get back in touch with you. Leave your information, put your socials in there, and like, keep short and sweet, but put that information in there, and then send it. And then don't be a pest, but you can gently follow up. And in some cases, people have forms. Send it through the form. Follow the instructions. If you don't follow instructions and you want to be an artist on our roster, that's kind of like a point against you, where I'm like, well, the instructions would be to do it like this, but you haven't done it like that. So that's kind of not a thing. So, and labels are often what they call walled gardens. Like, there's only so many people and so many artists that the label can service and handle. And in some cases, like, their roster may be full, and there may not be the right time. Even though you've got that fire release, it may not be the right time for them. So following up, being persistent, but don't be a pest. Don't get your feelings hurt. I mean, number one thing in the music industry always is just have a thick skin. If you hear no, like, cool, like, on to the next. Like, I'm going to keep trying. This is my vision. Your success should never rely on any one person or entity to make that happen for you. Are in charge of your destiny.